Hi everyone. In this video lecture, I am going to solve question number 1 of the miscellaneous exercise based on chapter 3 trigonometry of class 11. Okay. The question is, prove that 2 cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. Okay. So we have actually three terms. One term, that is the very first term, consists of three things: 2 cos pi by 13 and cos 9 pi by 13. The second term is cos 3 pi by 13 and the third term is cos 5 pi by 13. Okay. On simplification, we will get the value of this one as 0 and this thing we have to prove. So take its LHS now. In the LHS, we have 2 cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 and plus cos 5 pi by 13. Okay. Remember, this is what? 2 cos something into cos another thing, having two different angles. Two cosines are in product form. Okay. So we can write it as, this is 2ab, we can write it also as 2ba. Okay. So in that particular case, when we will write 2 cos 9 pi by 13 first and then into cos pi by 13, nothing will happen because of a into b into c, c into b into a, or a into c into b. In all of these cases, the value will be same. Okay. Now we have the first term as 2 cos A into cos B. Remember the formula of 2 cos A into cos B. The formula is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Means cos 9 pi by 13 plus pi by 13 plus cos 9 pi by 13 minus pi by 13. Okay. What is the formula? Remember again, 2 cos A into cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay. And after that, we have cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. Okay. These two terms remain the constant, remain same. Now this is what? Cos. The denominators of both the terms are same in the under the bracket. So 9 pi plus 1 pi, that is 10 pi. Okay. This becomes 10 pi by 13 plus cos 9 pi minus 1 pi, that is 8 pi by 13. Okay. Good. Now we will write it as 13 pi minus 3 pi by 13. Okay, remember the things that I have taught you in exercise 3.2 of trigonometry, that whenever the angle of any trigonometric ratio is in radian form and you have to simplify that angle, then you should break the numerator into two parts as the sum or difference of two parts in the numerator, such that the greater one should be divisible by the denominator. Okay. So 10 pi can be written as 13 pi minus 3 pi because of 13 pi is divisible by the denominator 13. Okay. In the same way, using the same concept, 8 pi can be written as 13 pi minus 5 pi, as its 13 pi is divisible by the denominator, that is 13. Okay. And these two terms remain the same during this whole process. Okay. Now it becomes 13 pi by 13, that is pi, minus 3 pi by 13, that is 3 pi by 13. Okay. Plus cos 13 pi by 13, that is pi, minus 5 pi by 13 means 5 pi by 13. Okay. Then what will be the value of these two terms now after this step? These two terms remain the same again. Okay. So write this as it is. Now remember the formula of cos 180 degree minus theta, that is cos pi radian minus theta. What is the formula of this? minus cos theta will, cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Again, cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta, and plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. Okay, this is what, negative something, and this is positive something of the same. Okay, negative cos 3 pi by 13 and positive cos 3 pi by 13. So entire terms are cancelled together and it becomes what, 0. So this must be the RHS. Check it now. Yes, exactly, the RHS is 0. Hence proved. Okay, this question is finished.